Hey everyone, welcome back to another Sheetify CRM update. Now this is going to be a very brief video covering our new Sheetify CRM Spanish version. So as you can see, we've fully translated our Sheetify CRM into Spanish. We have many customers that have asked for a translated Sheetify CRM version in Spanish. So what we've done is updated all the columns, labels, code, and notifications inside our Sheetify CRM, and now you can access a completely translated Google Sheets CRM template. Now we're going to create other completely translated versions as well, so please let me know down in the comments what other languages you would like our Sheetify CRM translated into. We also have 2 tutorials that have been completely translated into Spanish. Our complete Sheetify CRM tutorial and an overview video that you can access and share with your team to help you get started with this template. I will add those video resources down below in the description. However, that is it from me. That is a quick update, and I'll see you in the next video.